Vegan diet plan to help you lose belly fat. While there isn't one magic bullet to lose belly fat, reducing belly fat not only can help you feel more comfortable and confident, but also it's important for your health. Vegan foods to eat more of to help lose belly. Fat green tea, artichokes, nuts and seeds, particularly peanuts. High-fiber fruits and vegetables like raspberries, apples, pears, and sweet potatoes. Lentils, beans, especially chickpeas. Breakfast, 1 serving strawberry pineapple smoothie. AM snack, 20 unsalted dry roasted almonds. Lunch, 1 serving green salad with edamame and beets. PM snack, 1 4-cup edamame and pods. Dinner, 1 serving spaghetti squash with peanut sauce and edamame. You can also add in your meal. Breakfast, blueberry banana overnight oats. 1 slice whole wheat toast, 1 TBSP. Natural peanut butter, 1 clementine, strawberry pineapple smoothie. AM, snack, 1 cup broccoli florets, 1/2 cup edamame and pods, 2 medium celery stalks, 3 TBSP hummus. Lunch, vegan burrito bowls with cauliflower rice, slow cooker vegan chili. PM, snack, 1/2 cup sliced cucumber, pinch of salt and pepper, 3/4 cup edamame and pods, 1 cup unsweetened soy milk. Dinner, curried sweet potato peanut soup, vegan coconut chickpea curry, slow cooker vegan chili,